So those are the, basically just from the field. So that's, we got so many, we got there. So this is kind of the starting material, okay? Right. And then we go for just like grinding your coffee, like grinding machine, and then we grind like that and filter out any dust, any dirty thing. And then we go from the chemical treatment. That's what is end up. It looks like a paper, but you can actually smush them to make a powder. So this kind of like the final product.
That's the final product.
Yeah.
But you can take that and do what with that?
And then, like I say, we can re-smash to powder, and then dispersing to water medium, and then do coating, and then or mix with a plastic, make it reinforcing material, that sort of thing. Yeah. So anything you can think about, like, any like a powder. Yeah, and then you.
Are you excited about this research?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.